Thanks for clicking on another video here at Skyway. Today we're looking at this gorgeous convertible 66 Chevelle. Really pretty car. Love that deep black. Black looks phenomenal. Interior is also quite clean, as you can see. Manual top, beautiful chrome, beautiful wheels. I mean, it is a really stunning. I like black. I'm very partial to black cars, so I think that's probably a little bit my bias talking, but it's incredibly clean. Carpet's in great shape, seats and upholstery, and she fires right up right when you want her. So, speaking of firing her up, let's do that, and then let's take her out for a spin. To the road here. Something I noticed immediately was the overall smoothness. I mean, steering feels phenomenal, and so does acceleration. It doesn't feel like you have to really force the gas pedal to kind of do what you want. She gets up and goes. I got working gauges, which is very nice, always a plus. Let's do a little brake check after we get around this curve here. Handles the curves well, no steering feedback. I mean, she's nice and straight. And let's she brakes where we want her to. Yeah, I'm really impressed with these 66 and 67s. I think are really underrated cars. But let's go ahead and make a Yui, get her on the lift.